What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, today's video is going to be on the company van. We're actually going to be do a full LED swap, and it's going to be filmed in between a couple days since I'm waiting for all the parts to just flow in. So we're going to change the headlights, we're going to change the cargo lights, the LED lights inside the van. Let's see, we're going to change the turn signal bulbs because one of them burnt out, and then I'm actually going to show you guys how to take off, replace the bulb, and then put on these tail lights. Same thing with the front, and change out the LEDs, show you how to do it. And pretty much I'm gonna keep you guys updated how to do it, show you step by step how to do it, and let's get to it. Okay, to remove the tail light, you have to come inside. There's these two little screws. To take it out, you literally just twist and turn it. It's really that easy. It's a very long screw. Like this. You see? You do both sides. While I'm at it, while I'm changing the bulbs, these are the bulbs I got. Turn signal bulbs. While I'm at it, for now, as a temporary fix, I'm gonna put red tape over this. This is out. The amber is up here. This is the reverse. So the amber is going to be this one up here. It's going to be the second one from the top. That's the one you remove. Simply just plug it out, twist. And take it out and replace the bulb. Alright. Once you have them on, test them, make sure they work. And then do everything reverse. Put in those two little black things there, and then we'll get to the other side to do the tail light repair. If you want to make it easier, you can use a 6-inch, 6-inch alloy wrench. You can do it like that. But I did it just fine with my fingers. All right. So we repaired it for now. It is a temporary fix until we replace the whole tail light. And the new LED is on. We'll test that before we put it in. So this is how it looks inside here. Lights up, but not crazy amount. It's the outside. Barely lights up. Let's check the cargo area. As you can see, it lights it up pretty good in here since it's like two light bulbs, two overhead lights, and this is pretty much in the dark, so it looks really good at night. But it looks better with white LEDs, way better. And then of course the tag lights, they're okay, but could be better, of course. So let's get to it. So basically for the tail lights, you just pop it forward, or does it pop it down or pop it forward? I forgot how it was. Let me see. Okay, so I believe you grab a screwdriver. You just grab. So you grab it, you put it right under this little ledge there, and I'll just pop it out. Be careful. It's gonna be these little bulbs. So Let's see what I have. I'll bring it over to my stash. Let me try to run these. Actually, let's just get those other simple ones that shoot all the way down. So, do like this, shoot all the lights down and set to the side. It's not needed. So the best way to do this is once you before you put it on, since they are bipolar, not bipolar, they're polar sensitive. So you see this one's on. See, it's not turning on. You turn it on, it turns on. So this is the way you stick it in. That's that. So I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. Put it down my side. Got the other one. So you go right here. And then again, check the polarity. Works. And then you clean these out. I already had cleaned them. Just plug them in. So you start from the top first. There you go. And those are in. Alright, so we're gonna install the headlights. If you recall, they're yellow. And very easy to do it. Right here, this is cap, twist it, pops off. Make sure it doesn't fall all the way, because you will lose it. Just like that. You'll have to maneuver yourself around there, and got it. So once you get the cap off, you take the light bulb off, very easy. You turn it to the right side, since you're facing it. And this is the bulb. So, you turn them on just so you can see more or less. Huh. There's another bulb in there. That's very weird. Well, I want to know if this one, I don't know. We'll see. So, basically you take them out. Take out a little clip there, push it to the back, and then you squeeze here and just pull it out. These bulbs are polarity sensitive. They are polarity sensitive, but it's one way on this side, on this harness, so it's very easy to do. Wow, it's super bright. I don't think that yellow light is gonna you ever see this yellow light. It's still gonna change that light, that's really annoying. You're not gonna see that little yellow light. Alright, once it's in, and it's in. Ridiculously bright. Can't really tell, but it's white. It's definitely white. That's so weird. A little I don't know if you can see the yellow bulb. There's no significant meaning in there whatsoever. But you can tell a difference from both sides. It's crazy. Now we're gonna do the other side too. So once you actually put them on, again, the little cover, you pull it out, the yellow tab, you pull it out. When you're done, make sure you put it back in. I have them out just to show you more or less where they're at. Same thing here. Definitely a big difference in the lighting quality. As you can't really see it, it's still dark, but it's really bright. I'm really happy. Way better than the yellow ones for sure. Let's move on to the rest of the car. So you see at night, way brighter. This is much needed. Really nice. It's very, very simple. You grab the tool removal kit. Oh, tool removal kit. There's a little nudge right there. You literally just put it in and flick it out. And then the rest you could just, yep, there we go. So these are the bulbs. I believe they're 3150. No, that's like turn signal. I'll put it on the screen, the bulb type that it is, just so you guys could find it easier. I bought them LED on eBay. I'll put the link also for these. But they're actually the very longer ones. I had to order them because I did not have them with me. So basically what you do is just take out the old one. Really hard to do with one hand. And then when you put on the new one, just make sure you put it, you turn it on and make sure it's on right, because it's polarity sensitive. So once you put them on, you know, turn the light on, see if it turns on. If not, just flip them over to the other side. All right, once you actually put the LED in, you bring it up here. So you put it in this side first, same way you took it out. That's the way you're gonna put it in that side, and then just squish it in. There you go. Wow, that is way brighter. I'm excited to see the rest, to see the cabin cargo lights. Let's do that. Let's do that now. All right, so wow. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. There we go. So the rear will be the same thing. It's actually easier. So you fit in this little nudge here. Pop. Comes right off. So as you see, when you do that, you hit this little clip there. You push that little clip there, and then this whole thing falls apart. On the cargo lights, there's actually 2 there and 2 here. So once you put these LEDs in, it's gonna be really bright back here, which is what I want. Since I work out of my cargo area, I'm gonna need everything I need, and all the light I could get. So remember, polarity sensitive. Swap, put them on, and then check by turning on the light. If it does not turn on, flip it around and it should work. That one, I already did this one. So when you put it back in, you put it the opposite way that you took it out. So it'll be like that, and then you push it in, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you if all the lights turned on. Guys, here it is. Headlights are working beautifully. Super bright. Look at the front cabin. I love it. Super bright. I can see everything perfectly. It's like daytime here. And tag lights are on. These, you had to take them off and like really clean them. I don't know if you can see them, they're really dirty. I just did a little quick video so you guys to see how you put them on, but for now they do. The turn signals are super bright. Oh, yeah. Still haven't fixed that light, but we'll get to it. Super bright. The one I'm really impressed about is the cargo lights. So each bulb had 2 little lights. Look how bright this thing is. Huge difference. I love it. So really bright in here overall. What I like about these, when they're off, they don't stay on. So that's really nice. Overall, I'm happy with the outcome. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Right now I'm gonna end up starting editing this video for you guys, but please subscribe down to the channel for future content just like this one. Follow our Instagram, IG for more updates on other projects that I do not post on YouTube. Once again guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.